Chapter 5, Algebraic Expression, Activity 1. Given the expression let's say it's 3x squared minus 6 minus x plus 2x 2. Okay, 1.1 right, the expression in descending powers of x. 1.2, how many terms does this expression have? 1.3, what is the degree of the expression? What is the degree of the expression? 1.4. Write down the constant term of the expression. 1.5, write down the coefficient of x cube term. 1.6, write down the coefficient of x squared term. 1.7, right, down. The coefficient of x term. (1.8). What is the first term of the expression? (1.9). What is the exponent of the third term of the expression? (1.10). Evaluate the expression if or when x equals to 1. When x equals to 1. Okay, so what we need to do now, write the expression in descending powers of x. Now, descending means start with the highest what? With the highest exponent. Descending, start with the highest what? With the highest exponent. So this is going to be 2x cubed plus 3x squared. Okay, look at your exponent. Take the highest exponent. Okay, that is the next one. The next one is power 1 and it's -6. You write everything, but you start with the highest power. Go to the next one, which is 2. Go to the next one, which is 1. Okay, write the expression in descending powers of x. So I need to consider x. So that's why I start with power 3. That is the biggest one. That is descending. Ascending is the other way around. It's -6 minus x plus 3x squared plus 2x cubed. But please, when they say write the expression, remember this is the expression. So you need to write the expression. The expression has minus and plus in between. So when you write this, you don't just write x cubed. You write the whole thing. But it must have the exponent, which is what? X cubed. How many terms does this expression have? Let's count. Okay, what separates terms? It's minus and what? And plus. So this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. So how many terms? 4 terms. 4 terms. Or let's write 4. 4 terms. What is the degree of the expression? When they want the degree of the expression, you look at the highest exponent. The highest exponent is what? It's this one, 3. That is the degree. You look at the highest exponent. then you write 3. Okay, write down the constant term of the expression. What is the constant term? A constant term, it is a number without a variable. So a number without a variable, it's -6. Don't just take 6. Take 6 with each side. Okay, so that is the constant. That is the constant. That is the constant term. All right, it's a number without a variable. When they ask what is the variable will be x, because a variable is a letter. Write down the coefficient of x cubed term. The coefficient of x cubed term, you look what is in front of what? Of x cubed. That is the coefficient. So it's 2. Okay, now write down the coefficient of x squared. What is in front of x squared? It's 3. There is 3. Coefficient is the number before that x squared. That is the coefficient. Write down the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? It's -1. What is in front of x? There is invisible 1 here, so it's -1. Not just 1, -1. Okay, what is the first term of the expression? Remember, we were given this expression. So you are not going to say this is the first term of the expression, because this is the question, not the expression. But this is the question based on the expression. So when they want the first term of the expression, this is the first term of the expression. So it's going to be 3x squared. You must use your expression, not your questions. It's it's 3x squared. That is the first term. What is the exponent of the third term of the expression? The third term, okay, when they say third term of the expression, this is not the expression. Okay, but this is the expression in descending order. But now, we want the exponent of the third term. The exponent of the third term of the expression, this is your a given expression. So we'll use the given expression. So the exponent of the third term, here is the third. This is the first term, second term, this is the third term. And there's invisible 1 here, exponent. So the exponent is 1. Okay, evaluate the expression when x is equal to 1. So this is going to be 3x squared. You write that down, the expression, -6 minus x plus 2x cubed. What you need to do now, you substitute 1 where you see x. -6, substitute 1 where you see x, plus 2, substitute 1 where you see x. Okay, this means 1 squared, it's 1 times 1. It means 1 squared, it means 1 times 1. So it's 1. So 1 times 1, it's 1. So 1 times 3, it's 3. 5 minus 6. What is negative times positive? It's -1. Okay, 1 cube, it means 1 times 1 times 1. What is 1 times 1 times 1? It's 1. Okay, so 1 times 2, it's 2. Okay, so let's start with the positive. What is 3 plus 2? I know it's 5. 3 plus 2, it's 5. Because when signs are the same, when the signs are the same, you add and keep the sign. Okay, what is -6 minus 1? It's -7. Because when signs are the same, you add and keep the sign. But when the signs are different, what do? You subtract. So what is 5 minus 7? It's 2. But I must take the sign of the bigger number, and the bigger number is what? It's -7. So it's going to be -2. That's it.